Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of Value Education, Fruits of Patience. Now, what is patience? Patience is to wait and wait for the results to come up. Okay, so we should not hurry up. In this regard, we will study this chapter, Fruits of Patience. Krishna was a young man employed in a government job in Rajpur. He had a strong liking for delicious mangoes. His own town did not have a good supply of the quality mangoes. So this is a story about Krishna, who is a young man. He is a government employee and he has very good crave for tasty mangoes, and those mangoes were not available in that town. One year Krishna decided to grow mango trees in his farm. He planted his saplings of mangoes in his farm and nurtured them to see them grow into big trees. Over the years, his saplings grew into healthy trees. Okay, so what happened? At last, he decided to have his own farm of mangoes so that he can have it every day. So he started uh, bringing the saplings of mangoes and started growing them up. Soon it became healthy trees. The season came, but trees remained fruitless, which disappointed Krishna, but he did not lose his hope and continued nurturing them. The next year he was happy to see the flowers, but in season they all got infected and could not bear fruits. This made Krishna angry. So what happened? He was very much waiting for the fruits to come up, but what happened? That very year it was a disappointing year. The mangoes did not come up. Flowers came, but due to season they all got infected, means they all got affected with diseases, and all the flowers were destroyed, and hence there was no mangoes that yet sold. Okay. Out of frustration, he thought the trees to be bad omen. He cursed his luck and decided to sell the trees along with the farm. A nearby farmer bought the farm and trees. So what happened? At last he got very much dissatisfied with himself, and he thought that these trees are a bad luck for him. So he sold them up, and a nearby farmer bought them. Okay. The same year, Krishna got a transfer of his job and shifted to a new, bigger town which had a good supply of quality mangoes. He relished it every day. So what happened? He was transferred to a new town, and in that town there were delicious mangoes, and every day he used to have some of the mangoes. Now he was happy. Years passed. One day he overheard a mango seller calling out Rajpuri mango. So one day he was in his office or somewhere like that, and he heard that some vendor was coming with mangoes so that he can sell them, and it was called Rajpuri. And remember one thing, Krishna used to live in Rajpur. He became excited as he heard the name of the mangoes coming from his hometown. He was curious to know how and when Rajpur started producing such good quality mangoes. So when he heard the name Rajpuri mangoes, he was very much surprised because his town did not have mangoes. Now it all of a sudden he can hear that Rajpuri mangoes, that means the mangoes belonging to his hometown. Next morning he boarded a bus for Rajpur and through an inquiry reached the place of origin of such mangoes. He was surprised to see and know that the mangoes were coming from his own farm which he had sold a long ago. Understood? So what happened? Rajpuri started producing mangoes, and it was mangoes from the same farm which Krishna sold a long time ago. Okay. He went to meet the farmer who had bought his farm. The farmer told him, "The year you sold me your farm was drought year. That year trees had remained fruitless, but next year the trees were loaded with plum mangoes. I got the farm soil tested, and through report I came to know that such soil was most suited for mangoes. I immediately sowed the whole farm with such siblings. It is my farm's mangoes which are famous far and wide. So what happened? Actually, the year Krishna did not get mangoes were drought year. Drought year means it's a condition where your plants don't get enough water so that it can produce flower and fruit. Okay, but this farmer, the one who bought the land, he tested the soil and he understood that the soil was very much suited for growing mangoes. So what he did, he bought saplings, means small trees, and he started planting them, and after taking a good care, the saplings turn out to be a beautiful mango trees which gave out world famous Rajpuri mangoes. Listening to the word of farmer, Krishna was in tears. He had missed the opportunity of owning the famous mangoes because he showed no patience. So that is the thing, students. We should always remember that patience is the key to success. Now, if you want to get something, if you want to get some results in your life, you must have patience. Now, see, when you're planting a tree, immediately in the next day it does not grow out to be a uh, tree. Okay, you're planting a small seed and it does not get into a tree next day itself. It takes a lot of time. So you have to wait patiently. So, what is the moral of the story? Patience is allowing things to happen in their due course of time. When we are patient, our energy is available to make good things happen. It is waiting with a good feeling of hope. Learn to bear with things even if they do not happen what you want to happen. Okay, sometimes it happens that you want to have something, you want to get some results immediately, but immediate results are never good. Okay, so we should wait patiently for the right time to come so that you can get the success. Thank you, students. That's it for today. Next day we'll meet with a new story. Okay.